Pixels.cool.
Welcome to you. If you'd like to view the finished product, see the website. We've opened the project file saved at the end of the previous explainer. I'm going to create a new text-based slide before adding automated audio narration and some simple animation. Start by creating a new blank slide. I'll name this slide Where Next? This slide is going to be about developments in immersive technology that we expect to see over the next few years. Let's start by creating a new text box. I'm going to paste my text in from a Google Doc. Obviously, you can type text directly into the box or paste it in from Word or another text editor. Storyline has a built-in narration option which will literally speak the words you choose. This is often referred to as text-to-speech or TTS. To try it out, I'm going to copy all the text in the box. Now go to Insert, Audio, Text-to-Speech. Paste the text where requested here. Now the fun part, try out a few different voices by selecting a country of origin, then a male or female voice. Click on Preview Voice for a short sample.
Jeg kan oplæse enhver tekst, som du skriver her.
When you've chosen a voice you like, click Insert. The text you pasted is inserted to the timeline panel below the slide preview as an audio file. To preview the slide and hear the narration, go to Preview this slide.
Physical barriers including heavy headsets and specialist expensive hardware will continue to reduce.
If you want to change the voice, make sure you delete the existing voice track from the timeline first. Just right-click on it and delete. Next, we're going to insert a character image as though she's the person who's reading the text out loud to us. Go to Insert, Characters. If you're using the free demo of Storyline, you'll find you only have a few characters to try out. But when you purchase the full program, you'll see all of these. I think I'm going to use Samantha. When I select her, I'm given 3 options for whether she's facing front or to the left or right. I'm going to have her face front for now. Insert. There she is. I'll place her over here and I'll just need her top half showing on the slide. It's fine to have assets go off the edges of your slides. So far, all the text and image assets we've included appear immediately together. It's time to add some animation. First, we're going to animate Sam so she moves in from the bottom of the slide. Make sure she's selected and click the Animations tab. On the left, we have lots of options for entrance animations. I'm going to set her to fly in from the bottom, and I want this animation to last for 2 seconds. To see the animation in action, we need to preview the slide. Very nice. Of course, I can change the entrance animation and timing as much as I need. Take some time to try out some of the other entrance animations so you're aware of them for when you're creating your own projects. Now, just for fun, I'm going to have her wear a pair of virtual reality glasses. I'll search the illustrations and icons categories for something I'm happy with. This is a good reminder there are literally thousands of assets available within Storyline, when you have the paid version, of course. I'm happy with these. Let's place them over her eyes. I'm going to apply the random bars animation as it kind of looks like they're phasing in a futuristic way. Let's preview the slide. The only issue right now is the glasses are phasing in at the same time as Sam's animating in from the bottom of the slide. To change this, have a closer look at the timeline panel at the base of the window. By default, every asset added to a slide starts as soon as the slide appears, but in this case I want the glasses icon to start later. All I need to do is slide the icon 1 object along so it appears after about 2 seconds. Sam should now arrive before her glasses do. Looking good. To finish this slide, I'm going to also animate the text box so the text will gradually fade in over time. Let's try these settings. So I'll move the text box object along to start at around 4 seconds. And here's the completed slide. In the next explainer, we'll create a new slide with an interactive 3D object and a music soundtrack.
Pixels.cool